Meaning of fulmar.
fulmar,
Fulmar.
fulmar,
Fulmar. A fulmar is a type of seabird that belongs to the family Procellaridae. They are related to the albatrosses and petrels and are known for their tube-like nostrils on their beak that help them excrete salt. Fulmars can be found in the northern hemisphere, particularly in the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. They are able to survive in harsh conditions due to their thick feathers and oily skin that repels water. Despite being primarily seabirds, fulmars have been known to venture inland in search of food. Overall, the fulmar is a fascinating bird with unique adaptations for life at sea.